If you have anything in crypto, you need to watch this video. Spritz has been an absolute game changer for me in my financial situation, and it's now available internationally. So if you've heard of Spritz but haven't gotten involved before because you're not in the US, it's now available worldwide. But what Spritz lets you do is Spritz lets you connect your MetaMask wallet directly to your credit card, directly to your mortgage, directly to your car payment. Anything financially that you need to pay for, you can connect MetaMask directly there, pay right with crypto. You can also use it for bank transfers very quickly. And they even have a virtual card where you can put crypto on it immediately. It takes about 5 seconds, and then you can use that. It's a Visa debit card number that you can go use. You can add it to Apple Pay, and physical cards are next on their agenda. But how this works, you create an account, you head in here, there's the Pay Bills tab. You can click Add Another Account. First off, you can search for bills yourself. So again, if you have a credit card, let's say you have a Chase credit card, you just click here, enter your account number. But you enter your account number here. Again, you can add a car loan that you have from any of these companies, your mortgage, your student loan, even I pay my electric bill with crypto using this. They also have a really cool feature, Let Spritz Find Your Bills. And what they do is they use this service to check your credit report. Some people might not be comfortable with that, but it doesn't do a credit check. It just looks at your credit report, and then it finds all of your different loans that you have, different things that you might need to pay off, all your open credit cards and things like that. And then you can add them automatically. And some people, privacy, they don't like that. I don't care. But this has been an absolute game changer for me. Again, what I used to have to do to pay my bills is I would have to convert whatever crypto I happen to have, probably Drip, and I have to turn it into BNB or something that I can send to Binance or Coinbase or Gemini. So I have to do some swapping around. Then I'd have to send it to the exchange, which that could take a while sometimes. It wasn't always instantaneous. Then I would have to sell the BNB or the Matic or whatever I sent over for USD. Then I would have to withdraw from Binance using ACH or something like that to get it to my checking account, which again, that would take 2 or 3 days. And Binance is not even allowing fiat in or out right now. Then I could finally pay my credit card, which would take another 3 days. So again, that 6 or 7 step process is now just as easy as pay with crypto or pay 200 USDC, and they can use pretty much any coin on any chain with any wallet. But then that payment goes through to the credit card. It'll show up on your credit card statement as a payment in. So again, I use this all the time. I've done over $1 million worth of different transactions using Spritz in the last year. I want every single one of you, if you have anything in crypto, sign up for Spritz. You get a bonus for signing up. It's at least $10, but it might be more. I want every one of you to go to this page, spritz.finance/James. I am an ambassador for Spritz. I told them, I love you guys so much. You've made my life so much easier. Please let me do more for you. Help get the word out there more. So I want everyone watching, if you have any crypto, go to spritz.finance/James, click sign up. You'll get $10 just for signing up. Please hit like on this video. If you like crypto content, financial content, Jesus content, please hit subscribe. Appreciate you guys and have a great rest of your day.